In woodworking, there's many different ways to approach a project, both in mindset and technique. I believe it's important for everybody to find the method that works best for them. So now in order for us to find this angle here, which is the most important angle, or this angle here, or this angle here, we have to have a starting point. So we have to find what I call the true north. We've got one flat edge that we can always bump this against a fence or the sled, and it will always be the same. So you will take this angle to this angle. The same with this. This one's easy. This is a very flat, straight line. We'll call it the true north. You're going to put this against a fence, and then you can find this angle. Okay, so when laying this out, keeping in mind not only the grain matching, but also the true north that we just spoke about, you're going to lay it up, making sure that that line here is parallel with this jointed line there. The same goes for this. This guy's easy because we're going to keep it flush right there. Put that. And then we just simply mark it out. So now once we have it all marked out, we're ready to rough it out with the bandsaw. Now, like we did with the template, I'm going to leave quite a bit of material here. In fact, it's really important to leave plenty. The reason why, it's okay that this thing is going to look more like a Frankenstool. It's going to be all kinds of weird little, the coals coming out, a lot of extra material. Basically, the only thing that we're trying to achieve right now is getting this joint perfect. And we're going to get that because we know that we have one true north. We're going to make some sleds for the table saw, and then we're going to cut those. And then we're going to have a perfect joint because they're going to be consistent, they're going to be straight, and each one is going to be the same. And when we put this together, we know that once we put the mother on, we're going to be able to lay that on, and we're going to have plenty of room to scribe around there, to cut it, and then to router it. Nothing helps you grow more than just getting out there and building something.